Did you know that the very first thing you eat in the morning could be the key to unlocking better blood flow, more energy, and even stronger performance in the bedroom, especially after 60? It might sound surprising, but it's true. The foods you choose for breakfast play a huge role in how your body functions, particularly when it comes to circulation, energy, and vitality. For many seniors, the truth is that they're unknowingly starting their day in a way that actually restricts circulation. It's not about age or genetics. It's about those small choices we make every morning. If you've been feeling slower, weaker, or less confident in certain areas of your life, the problem might not be your age. In fact, it could be the breakfast you're eating or not eating that's holding you back. Let's explore how a simple change to your morning routine could bring about big results. Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Eisenberg, a board-certified urologist and men's health expert with over 25 years of experience helping men regain their strength, energy, and confidence without relying on pills or gimmicks. I've worked with countless men over the years, guiding them through the challenges that come with aging, and I've seen firsthand how small changes can lead to powerful results. Let me be clear. When it comes to vitality and performance after 60, it's not just about testosterone levels or medications. The key factor is circulation, and more importantly, how you start your day. Your morning routine, especially what you eat, can make a world of difference in how your body functions. And trust me, I've helped enough people to know. Changing what you eat can bring you results far beyond what you might expect. The truth is, most seniors are unknowingly starting their day in a way that restricts circulation, whether it's to your legs, lower back, or yes, even down there. These are common issues that many people experience as they age: stiff joints, reduced vitality, and the feeling that your body just doesn't move or feel the way it used to. But here's the thing, it's not always about age. If you've been feeling slower, weaker, or less confident in certain areas of your life, the problem might not be your age. It could actually be your breakfast. Believe it or not, the foods you choose or skip first thing in the morning could be the culprit, and changing just one thing could help get you back on track. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple, natural foods that you can easily incorporate into your morning routine. These foods have been proven to boost blood flow exactly where it matters most, helping to improve circulation and vitality for your body's most important areas. And don't worry, these aren't exotic superfoods or pricey supplements. These are everyday ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. By eating them regularly, you can help restore blood vessels, muscles, and nerves in your lower body, getting you back to feeling like yourself again. Simple, affordable, and highly effective. Let's dive in. The first food on our list is whole eggs. Yes, whole eggs, including the yolk. These little powerhouses are one of nature's most complete sources of nutrients, especially for men over 60. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, whole eggs are a powerhouse for restoring circulation and muscle function. They're loaded with vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, nutrients that don't just support brain health, but also play a crucial role in repairing muscles, particularly in your pelvic floor. This is key because your pelvic muscles support erections, help you control urination, and even keep you steady when you stand, walk, or climb stairs. In other words, whole eggs don't just help with sexual health, they support your overall well-being and daily functionality. And here's a real-world example. I had a patient named John, 69 years old, who hadn't felt morning energy in over a year. He was sluggish and struggling with the usual issues that come with aging. But after I encouraged him to start his day with just 2 boiled eggs, something incredible happened. He came back to me a month later and said, "Doc, I feel like something woke up again. I don't even need to push myself out of bed anymore." That's the kind of difference simple nutrition can make, helping to restore energy and vitality in a way that's natural, effective, and sustainable. Next up is a food that's simple, effective, and often overlooked: oats. Oats are packed with beta-glucan, a type of fiber that doesn't just lower cholesterol, it actually helps to scrub the inside of your arteries clean. By doing so, oats promote better blood flow throughout your body. This is vital for maintaining circulation, especially as we age. But we're not stopping there. When you top your oats with chia seeds, you're supercharging their benefits. Chia seeds are rich in magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that help relax your blood vessels and reduce inflammation. This combination helps improve nitric oxide levels, further boosting blood flow and promoting better cardiovascular health. Take Sam, for example. He's 72 and had come to terms with the fact that intimacy was no longer in the cards for him. He'd been eating sugary cereals for years, thinking that his vitality was simply in decline. But once we made the switch to oats with chia seeds in the morning, he started noticing real improvements. In just a few weeks, Sam said, "I actually look forward to mornings now." This simple change wasn't just about feeling full, it was about feeling energized, vital, and confident again. It's amazing what just one meal can do for your overall quality of life. Next, let's talk about one of the most refreshing and surprising foods you can add to your morning routine, watermelon. Not only is it hydrating and delicious, but watermelon contains a compound called L-citrulline. When it enters your body, it gets converted into L-arginine, which boosts nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is the same molecule that's found in medications like Viagra, which are used to improve blood flow and circulation. The best part? Watermelon does this naturally, no synthetic chemicals, just real food. For maximum benefit, make sure you eat watermelon on an empty stomach or right before your main breakfast. And don't throw out the white rind. This part of the watermelon is where the L-citrulline is most concentrated, giving you even more of the blood flow boosting benefits. I had a patient named Bill who was 66, and he was skeptical when I suggested incorporating watermelon into his morning routine. But after just a few days, he came back and said, "Doc, something's definitely waking up down there." It's funny, but it's true. Watermelon has a rapid effect, helping improve circulation and bring back that morning spark. It's a simple, natural, and powerful way to kickstart your day. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you: steamed sweet potatoes with Celtic salt. Sweet potatoes are packed with clean, complex carbohydrates that provide your muscles with the glycogen they need to fire up without spiking your blood sugar. This is especially beneficial if you're dealing with numbness, balance issues, or low morning energy, as sweet potatoes help stabilize both circulation and energy levels, making them an excellent choice for starting your day right. But here's the kicker. When you add Celtic salt, you're supercharging its benefits. Celtic salt is rich in over 80 essential trace minerals, which are vital for restoring electrolyte balance, regulating hydration, and supporting nerve function. As we get older, our nerves need extra support to maintain healthy function, and Celtic salt provides just that. I remember Thomas, a 71-year-old patient of mine who had been dealing with aching legs and groin tightness every morning. I suggested that he eat half a steamed sweet potato with a pinch of Celtic sea salt before his regular breakfast. Just 3 days later, he called me and said, "I didn't even need to brace myself on the nightstand this morning." That's the kind of change a simple, natural addition to your diet can make. It's not a magic pill, it's real food that works to restore balance, circulation, and energy. So, we've covered 4 powerful foods that can significantly improve circulation and vitality. But now, you might be asking yourself, what do I actually do with this information? Well, it's time to take action. Here's the key. Starting tomorrow, pick just one of these 5 foods and eat it within an hour of waking. Yes, just one. Don't overwhelm yourself with trying to change everything at once. It could be 2 boiled eggs to kickstart your muscles, a bowl of oats with chia seeds to cleanse your arteries, refreshing slice of watermelon to boost blood flow, or even a half-steamed sweet potato with Celtic salt to stabilize your circulation. The choice is yours. The important thing is to start small and stay consistent. Eat it every morning within that golden hour after waking up. Why? Because this is when your body is most receptive to the nutrients it needs. If you make this simple change and stick with it, you'll start to see real, tangible improvements in your circulation, energy, and overall health. It doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to happen, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll feel the difference. Now that you know the 5 simple foods that can help improve your circulation, boost your energy, and restore confidence, it's time to take action. If you're serious about improving your circulation, staying independent, and feeling more confident in your body, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you'll get more valuable tips like this to help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. And if this video resonates with you, I'd love to hear from you. Type a quick 1 in the comments to let me know if you're ready to make a change. If this isn't quite what you were looking for, type a 0. I read every response, and your feedback helps me bring you better, more useful content every time. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other on this journey to better health. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but Dr. Eisenberg, I'm too old for this. Isn't it too late to see results? It's completely natural to have doubts, especially when we've been living with certain challenges for so long. But let me be clear, it's never too late. I've worked with men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s who thought they were past the point of improvement. Yet, when they made simple changes to their routine, like adding the right foods to their diet, they saw dramatic improvements in energy, circulation, and even their confidence. Age is just a number, and your body still has the ability to heal, repair, and thrive if you give it the right fuel. So, whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, don't let age be an excuse. Change is not only possible, it's within your reach, starting with what you put on your plate each morning. Aging doesn't mean shrinking. It means adapting. So, many people fall into the trap of thinking that as they age, they're just supposed to slow down, fade away, and accept decline. But that's simply not true. With the right habits, the right choices, and the right mindset, aging can be an opportunity for growth, not a sentence for deterioration. I want to encourage you to make a commitment today, a commitment to take care of your body, because when you do, you'll start to feel stronger, more confident, and healthier. It doesn't require perfection, just consistent effort. Small changes, like eating the right foods in the morning, can have a massive impact on how you feel and how you live. It's never too late to start, and the results will be worth it. You've got the power to adapt and thrive in this next chapter of your life. Let's do it together. So, here's your action step. Pick one of the 5 foods we talked about today, prep it tonight, and eat it tomorrow morning. It's that simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things or wait for the perfect moment. Just start. The first hour after waking is absolutely crucial for nourishing your body. It's the time when your blood vessels are most receptive to the nutrients that will fuel your energy, circulation, and overall health. Don't waste it. By making that first meal count, you're setting yourself up for a day full of vitality, strength, and confidence. Take that first step, and I promise you'll start feeling the difference. It's a small change, but one that can lead to big results. Let's get started. Your future self will thank you. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just start. The journey to better health and vitality doesn't require a flawless plan. What it needs is your commitment to take the first step. And that step can start tomorrow morning. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge, and most importantly, you've got a choice. The choice to change, to adapt, and to thrive in this next chapter of your life. It's not about going back to your prime. It's about making the most of where you are right now. And that starts today. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep moving forward together.